Ambanadndong. Kenya Police slipped to 4th place after outplaying Sofapaka 3-0 at the Police Sacco Stadium on Wednesday afternoon. Following Police goalless draw against FC Talanta in their last game, goals from Marvin Nabwire, Francis Kahata and Clinton Kinanga were enough to push Police to the top 4 as Sofapaka's 2-match winning streak came to an end. Elsewhere, Bandari maintained their unbeaten run under interim head coach Twahid Muhyiddin as they blew away relegation prospects Mathare United by 3-0.
Clinton Kinanga! Goal!
Pia Police hawajai tufunga na imekuwa mari yao. Tuliwapiga 2-0 unajua. So sometimes kuna ile team inataka ku break the jinx since hawajai tufunga ever. So I think for them today wameshinda league already, but for me as a coach, hebu angalia kenye nilifanya. Sofapaka sasa hii si compete for the league, si compete for the ile FKF match, but kuna kitu ya maana sana nimefanya kwa mechi ya leo. Nimepea vijana watatu wachanga katika hii game. Niko na Adis, niko na Felix, niko na Ben Stanley.
Olympic and World 800 meters champion Emmanuel